I've had the DJI Pocket 2 for quite some time and I've just never really used it, but I'm kind of seeing the advantage of having something so small and easy to use. Right now I'm just hand holding it. I'm not doing it in any type of rig. So I have it on face tracking and I'm going to turn the camera around. And there's this Honda Civic. So going to walk around this Honda Civic and see how the audio is. I know I don't have the wireless microphone or anything like that, so it's just the built-in camera mics. And there's a slight breeze, so I'll probably have to use one of the video editing apps to try and enhance the audio. But this is just a test to see how it is. Need to use this more often. I have the DJI Action 4, which for certain things works great, but I think this might have its own advantages. So gonna flip the camera around again. And it caught onto my face for the face tracking, so I think it works pretty good.